Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The kids and I are at the Tampa RV show and we wanted to share a walkthrough of a camper that we fell in love with. It's the Grand Design Transcend 297QB. So let's take a look. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here at the Tampa RV show with the kiddos and we came across this Grand Design Transcend 297QB and I am loving this camper. It's about 36 foot long and it even has this nice little outdoor kitchen. It's not anything that's too big, but it's perfect for what we would use, a little outdoor stove and then a tiny little refrigerator. This is nice for when we're at places when I don't want the kids, going in and out of the camper, tracking in dirt and sand. So this would be a perfect little spot for snack breaks and everything. There's also two storage spots, one in the front and then one here in the back, which is actually below the bunkhouse. And there is a slide to this camper. So that's going to make a huge difference when we go inside. So let's check it out. Now, if you guys have followed along on our videos, you know that we typically don't like slides just because of the kind of camping that we do. But this camper does have a slide. But what's cool about it is when the slide is completely put away, you still have access to the bunkhouse and the kitchen. So you can still use the camper, which is a huge plus in my book. Now, another thing I like about this camper is where the bathroom is located. It's located near the master bedroom area. I like that because ours now is near the kids' bunkhouse area. So if you wake up in the middle of the night, you might startle the dogs and the kids just trying to go to the bathroom. This also has a lot of drawer and cabinet space, and it does have a little bit of counter space, which is a lot more than what we have in our current 247BH. Overall, the bathroom is nice and roomy. Now let's check out the master bedroom. This is laid out pretty much the exact same as our 247BH. You have the nice little closet space on the side of the bed. And the only difference is instead of hanging clothes there, there's shelving, which I like because I didn't have a lot of shelving in our 247BH. So this would be great for shorts, socks, whatever. However, this bedroom has its own master bedroom closet, which I love. So you have a lot of space to hang up your clothes and drawer space. So really, the closet space is so much bigger in this camper. I just love it. Now, if we go to the other side of the bed, the little closet next to the bed is the same, just how it is on the other side with the little bit of shelving. So you can, put shorts, whatever you want in there. Overall, there's a ton of storage space in here, and of course there's underbed storage as well, and then a sliding door for privacy. Now I'm going to show you one of the main reasons why I love this camper, and that is the kids' bunkhouse area. It has its own private door, its own little room, and tons of bed space for the kiddos. Right now, Maya sleeps on the little pull-out couch, which is kind of an inconvenience. It's been okay, but to have their own room would be awesome. Not only have their own room with a door, you can have the ability to hang up a TV for them, and there's drawer and cabinet space in here. So right now, we just kind of live out of plastic tubs for their clothes, their toys, or whatever they may have. But this room has its own space and the drawer space is plentiful. I mean, I could stick my whole arm in and I still can't touch the back of it. So plenty of space for the kiddos to store their clothes and all their goodies. Another plus to this camper is the size of the living area. Since there is a slide, you do get a lot of extra walking space, which is handy when you have a lot of people walking around in the camper. So the living room couch is out in the slide, as well as the stove, microwave, and refrigerator. The kitchen space is plentiful. There's a lot of cabinet space and a lot of counter space. I really like the layout of the kitchen area because you have plenty of space to chop foods and just cook, do things by the sink, and still have enough room for people to come in and out of the camper. And of course, all of the cabinet space. I mean, these cabinets are not only big, they are so sturdy. Ours and our camper are the exact same ones. They're very heavy duty. They don't feel like they're going to break. They stay closed when you're traveling. So these are all pluses in my book, and honestly is one of the main reasons why we went with Grand Design, because their quality surpasses any other manufacturer out there of campers, in my opinion. The sink has a double sink, and then the faucet, you can, pull it down to hose things, which I really like that we have that option with this. And then you have a lot of cabinet space as well on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and just open up all of the drawers and cabinets, because if you are unable to see one of these in person, I know it's kind of important to be able to see actually how big these cabinets are. They have a lot of space in there, so you can really store all of your dishes, food, whatever you would need. There's plenty of space in here. Another thing I really like about this camper is that it does have, you know, the microwave, the stove, but it also has the 12-volt refrigerator. And if you've watched any of our other videos, you know how much I really enjoy the 12-volt refrigerator. And there's a couple reasons for that. Number one is it's huge on the inside. When you get the propane refrigerators, they usually are very shallow and you cannot hold a lot of stuff in it. This fridge is huge. We've been on really long trips and I've been able to hold a lot of food, and it stays charged with the battery and the solar panel that comes on top. I also like how the couch is out in the slide, because that gives you a lot of extra room for walking in between the dining area and the couch area. Now, as far as the cabinetry and the TV area, everything's about the same except there's no DVD player. I think they kind of went away from the DVD player. So if you want to watch movies, have it on a USB. The dining area is set up exactly like the 247BH. It's not any bigger. It's not any smaller. It does have cabinet space underneath the seats, whereas mine has drawers, cabinets you might be able to utilize a little bit better. But the one thing that this camper has that I do not have is this awesome, huge pantry. I'm telling you, it's huge. I could stick my whole arm in there and it would not touch the back of it. So you have plenty of storage for food or anything that you'd want to put in this pantry. We thought we'd ask the kids for some feedback about this camper. So you can talk about anything in the camper, the bunkhouse, whatever. We'll start with you, Kyla.
Okay, I like the big bed and that there's actually a door separating like all the beds, and I like all the like storage space for clothes, and I like the couch because it reclines. I think that's really cool.
So I like the beds, number one. I like the couch that you can recline, in the bathroom. What I don't like is the DVD player. Not here.
Oh yeah, there's not a DVD player like there is in ours. Okay, Maya, what about you?
I like this bed, and I like the couch, and I like the room for your clothes. I like the closet. I like the bathroom, and I like.
You like all of it.
Yeah, so you like
Oh yeah, I like that too.
the little vent up there?
Yes, and I also like this window I have, and yes, I love it.
Awesome. Well, thank you. I hope you guys found that walkthrough and tour of the 297QB helpful. It is really a fantastic camper, and it's one that I would definitely consider upgrading to. So be sure to like and subscribe. I'll have more tours ahead and other content, and I'll see you guys next time.